In this video, I will show you how to make money online with Google search in 2024. So the first platform we have here is called macroworkers.com, and here you can find different macro jobs that you can complete and earn money. It only takes a few seconds to complete. They also accept people worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from. So first, you want to create an account. The registration process is very easy. Just click register and then complete the information such as your name, email, and so on. Then click submit, and after you confirm your email, you can enter your dashboard. Here just click on jobs and then it will show you the available jobs. As you can see, here are different jobs that are available to you right now. You have everything like completing surveys and searching on different websites, and they also pay you to search on Google. But as you can see, they don't pay a lot of for these jobs. But don't worry, I will show you how in this video you can make a lot of money with different methods. I started from the low income method and continue on the highest paying methods. But there are also jobs here. They pay you $1 to $2. You can also choose what kind of work you want to do. The second way you can earn money from searching Google is to go to the SERPclicks.com platform. You don't need to have any experience to start earning, and basically what this platform does is it charges other websites to the help to rank your website higher in Google, and your job here will be to search the name of these websites in Google and then click on them to help them rank higher in Google. So basically your work is to hire ranking websites, and that's how you will earn here. So as you can see here, you get paid from 0.1 to $0.5 for every website you have. And what I love about this site is that the minimum payouts is only $5, which is very easy to make, so you don't have to wait for days to withdraw your money, and when you reach $5 it automatically goes to your PayPal account, will be sent. I strongly recommend you create a PayPal account first, then you can work on this website without needing an app, which means you don't have to wait to be accepted, because all you have to do after registration, you will be accepted automatically. Click here, it says join the network, and then you can fill your personal information here. The only problem with this website is that they ask you to download Firefox and also you need a plugin download Firefox. I don't know many people like to do this, but don't worry, there are still more ways. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. The third way is where you can earn more, so you can earn hundreds if not thousands of dollars. Basically what you have to do is go to Google and search for jobs. For example, you can search for something like a gym in California, or a hair salon in London, or a coffee shop in Malaysia, or something like that. And what you have to do is to find websites that are not ranked first. So scroll down and select page 2 or page 3. Now all these websites here are not ranking first, so they are losing a lot of customers and a lot of money. Your job now is to help them rank higher in search It can be any businesses, it doesn't matter which site. Just click on this website and you will find their contact information somewhere on the website. For example, here in the contact us section, we have the email right here. All you have to do is email them and give them tools that can help them rank higher in search. One of these tools you can give them. You can see Mangles. This tool helps websites rank and helps them complete and stuff like that. If you scroll down here, you will see that they have worked with some of the biggest companies in the world like Adidas, and all you have to do is scroll down and click on affiliate program, and you can sign up with them to get your affiliate link. And as you can see here, you can get 30% lifetime commission when you refer someone as long as they continue their business using Mangles to rank in Google. You will also continue to earn money. So if someone spends $1,000 on this platform every month, you will earn $1,300 a month from that person. So try to search as many businesses as you can see, as many people as you can see. You will earn more.